Hear that? That's nothing. 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 It's nothing. Nothing. Huh. Now. I'm going to ask you all a question. By show of questions, how many of you all have been asked a question before? Okay, great. I'm seeing questions. And again, I have nothing here. Now, I'm telling you a personal anecdote. I've done my shit on my dog Skip. It's true. It really happened. Embarrassing. Now I'm going to bring it to a broader point. I'm going to reel you back in. 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 The number of talks that I'm giving is 1. Interesting facts imparted thus far in said talk. Well, that's going to be as my height in inches is 70 points. Note the point is there. 2 times 6 equals and then interestingly enough, 6 times 2 also equals that's math. 8. No, 2.6 million. 4. And now, as these continue, I'm just going to start saying gibberish. Wow, wagawa, gabba, turkey. Mouth. I'm an itty bitty baby, and I'm hungry. And I'm pacing. I'm growing in intensity. I'm taking off my glasses, which, by the way, are just frames. I wore them to look like cool. I'm going to make it into listening. I'm going to bring it to this man right here. Now, what this man did was important, I'm sure. But I, for one, have no idea who he is. I simply Google image the word million. And now, you see, I'd like it to seem like I'm making points,
Get him out of here.
building an argument,
Throw him out.
inspiring you to change your life.
And thank you. I'm very proud of what you've done. It has been an honor and a privilege to work side by side.
Thank you.
And with that, I just have 2 more words to say. Obama.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster, a real gangster.